In today's video, I'm going to teach you connect your Salesforce account in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have your tools talking to each other so you can streamline your marketing and keep your contacts in sync without manual work. First, open Mailchimp and look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. Find and click Integrations. This is the hub where Mailchimp connects with other platforms, and it's the quickest way to discover, manage, and troubleshoot your connected apps. Once you're in the Integrations section, use the search bar at the top and type Salesforce. You should see the Salesforce integration appear in the results. Click on it to open the Integration Details page. Here, you'll get a brief overview of what the connection does and what permissions it needs. Taking a moment to skim, this helps you understand how your data will flow between the two systems. Next, click Connect. This kicks off the secure connection process. At this point, Mailchimp will guide you through on-screen prompts. You may be asked to sign in to your Salesforce account, and you'll likely see a permission screen. Review the information carefully, make sure you recognize the account you're connecting, and then proceed as instructed. If you're using a specific Salesforce environment, such as a sandbox, choose the appropriate option when prompted. Keep your browser's pop-up blocker disabled for this site so the authorization window can open smoothly. If you don't have access to connect integrations in Mailchimp or in Salesforce, you may need an administrator to grant the right permissions before you can continue. Also, ensure you're signed in to the correct Mailchimp workspace to avoid connecting the wrong account. During the connection, avoid sharing or typing any sensitive information anywhere it isn't explicitly requested by the secure login screen. You won't need API keys or anything similar for this process. Just follow the official prompts and authenticate through the standard sign-in. When the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation within Mailchimp's integrations area. From there, you can return to this page anytime to verify the status, disconnect if needed, or explore settings offered by the integration. If something doesn't work on the first try, refresh the page, confirm you're logged into the right Salesforce account in the same browser, and try again. That's all there is to it. You searched for Salesforce, clicked it, hit connect, and followed the guided steps. With Mailchimp and Salesforce now connected, you're set up for a smoother workflow and better data consistency across your marketing and sales efforts.